Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today I'm going to show you pictures and clips of some of the best nose blackheads on the planet. While you watch, please click subscribe and the notification bell for updates. We'll show various pimples, nose blackheads, and a few of my favorite pops. Blackheads are small, dark lesions that appear in the skin, often on the face and neck. They're a feature of mild acne, but they can appear without other signs of acne being present. As a heads up, we'll put a link to our favorite pimple popper tools in the description below. Now let's take a look at a few more pops. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Hi you guys, my name is Gabby and I'm here to do my testimonial on Thinnergy. Thinnergy has given me way more energy than I had in recent months. It's helped me lose about 20 pounds and I'm really happy with my current body and thin form that I have. So please check the link below, recommends Thinnergy, and I think it'll work for you.